It's called a martin. They raided my bluebird house, eastern bluebird house. They are kind of cool. I can get super close to them, almost like a pet. And I got a family of martins over there. Oh my goodness, they're so loud. But they make a cool sound. Hope they don't run my hummingbirds off. I got 2 hummingbird feeders there. And 2 hummingbird feeders there. And they'll just hang out with me. I'm literally 10 feet from this bird. Probably hear that hawk over there. Got a family of hawks over there as well. Crazy.